everything over there is Italy. We are right on the border of Italy and Austria.
Shock you about coming to Austria. The first thing that shocks a lot of tourists when they come to Austria is the fact that Austria is not Germany, okay? People, it's a different country. The Austrians don't like the Germans. They don't want to be associated with the Germans. They're not cool with the Germans, so don't compare them to that. They don't appreciate it.
I got hot springs in the Alps.
That's
what I want to do.
I researched nothing. I think that sounds amazing.
Oh, wow.
Very pretty. Wow, wow, I like this.
This is as cute as Switzerland.
Did you see that? Did you see that? She did it!
Guys, I flew the drone. I didn't even crash it or nothing. Spa day
wow.
in the Alps.
Wow, what a cool facility. This is it for tonight, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Busy.
I feel like you always have a surprise up your sleeve. This is it for tonight.
Okay.
Today, we're going hiking
Finally.
in the Austrian Alps. We earned it. We were very good and we worked in a cafe all morning.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, it's warm, it's sunny.
Alps must have heard we're coming for
We're coming! Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Bye.
Bye. Not speaking German continues to plague us as we try to find directions to this route.
We're gonna go up to Glonkenglong. Where's underwater?
I think you're literally making this up. Here's some hikers, hopefully they speak English.
So cute, that little baby.
This is my little goat friend.
He's crying.
Oh, you're okay, little goatie. You're okay, little goatie.
Oh.
Baby, you just hiked the whole way from there. You're good at doing that stuff, baby.
This hike was pretty freaking nice, but tomorrow,
We're going bigger.
bigger, better, stronger.
You wanna try some pretzel?
Yeah.
Cheers to trying new stuff, boo-boo.
Cheers to trying new stuff. It's a light and dry pretzel.
Very light, yeah.
Let's try a horse.
Why do I feel weird about eating horse than donkey?
I used to rodeo the horses. We had horses my whole life, so it feels like it's like eating dog. I totally eat dog, but the thought of like eating one of my dogs or one of my horses is weird.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not eating it straight up. It's salami, so it's got like all sorts of spices and stuff in it, but
Yeah.
let's try it.
Super fatty.
It's actually really fatty. Ready? Cheers. Horse.
Can you make a horse sound?
It's like salami. Delicious, delicious Italian salami.
Yeah. That's good.
Horse makes for some tasty salami. Who would have thought?
I guess they're Italians.
The Italians. Yeah, the Italians, that's who. All right, well, cool. You good? Let's go.
All right, dude. We're ready to hit the slopes.
We're gonna go shred up the mountain. We're headed up there. Ooh. Super excited. I think those are horses up there. Looks like, baby, we have options. We could either go right to Kurhuti.
The Dolomites? That's in Italy.
You want to go this way?
Yeah.
Okay, to the Dolomites.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be alone.
Does it look like these guys are sleeping?
Kind of.
Why are their heads all towards the middle?
Look at their long ears.
So cute.
Ocean brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one. No
You can see why the farmers put bells on their sheep and on their cows. You can hear them before you see them.
Watch that thing where the goats climb hundreds of feet for that, like, calcium in the rocks.
That's right.
Who knows what they're after?
is in the water. You go straight through my heart. Through my heart.
Oh my gosh, baby.
Wow. Wow. Everything over there is Italy. We are right on the border of Italy and Austria.
Hi! Welcome to the Crystal Show!
Whoa! We just saw ibex, wild ibex in the wild. If you guys don't know what they are, check them out in the link below. They are insane. They can climb the craziest things ever. They're the best climbers in the world.
Yeah.
We just saw some in the Alps. There they go!
Whoa!
So they're cruising. Whoa, look at that boulder. It's huge.
It's going off the edge, baby.
Whoa! Rock slide. Be careful down there, everybody. Whoa, look at that. Those are huge pieces of rock.
He really crumbled though in the first couple drops.
Wow.
What a pretty sound.
I'm not gonna lie, it is very steep.
You can send Johnny over there.
Should we send Johnny? See how much higher it is?
And just put us there after.
We'll Photoshop.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, here you guys go. We just climbed the tippy top.
We've reached the ridge of the Alps. We're up here pretty freaking high.
There's Alps everywhere.
Something really important to us. We really want to build the Crystal Show.
And we want to make you laugh and love it and have fun.
Really want that.
So,
A big mile marker for us is 100, 1,000, 100,000, and eventually, maybe 1 million. We're having an amazing time ourselves. So, like, literally no regrets. If we had not one person to watch this, it was just us, it's a success. One of our first big goal is 1 100.
100.
We have service up here.
We're gonna check.
We're gonna check YouTube.
Okay. 102.
102?
102.
102! We're at the double digits!
Triple digits.
Triple digits? Triple digits! 3! Triple is 3!
Congratulations.
I feel on top of the world!
You are.
Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much for your follows, for your likes, for your subscribes. If you like our stuff, please keep sharing it. Let's go for 1,000! If you like our content, make sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Oh my gosh. What are you guys doing?
Wow. You guys trying to scare us?
They're getting in close little numbers. Yeah. I'm kind of scared. What are you guys doing?
We're innocent.
A classic Austrian standoff.
We are upset. We're not coming to hurt you. It's okay. Do you speak English? Woohoo!
You think we're hurting you? They're hurting us.
They're the bullies here. I see you guys. I see you behind me.
So coming down the path here, boom. We have horses, wild horses, and we have sheep. Look at all these guys.
This used to be like a peaceful Alp hike, and now we're kind of scared.
I think these guys are gonna be cool as hell.
Yeah, they look nice.
But if they're anything like the sheep are, I'd actually be scared of them. It's like the hills have eyes, but with sheep. Oh, hold on.
What?
I'm getting a couple of these just as ammunition. Okay, this is just in case. I do not want to hurt an animal. I just want to scare an animal if they decide they want to kill me.
That coconut horse is so pretty.
It was really pretty.
Like you in front of me and me behind you. And then those big
Oh shit.
wild horse.
Oh shit. Oh wow, yeah. Someone's fought off the horses already.
He's going like blowing on us.
This horse is definitely keeping its eye on us.
Yeah. I'm happy we're over here.
Me too. You hear that? That's the, I'm gonna mess you up. You're making moves out there, babe. Everybody. We literally just scaled over all of these rocks.
Just to not get destroyed by farm animals. That was the right call though. Those are probably wild horses. This is my weapon.
Your vampire steak. Agatha!
It's so good to see you.
It is beautiful out here and I am hungry as heck. I think we go eat, we point our van that direction,
yeah,
and we call it a night.
That's good to me.
Okay. Bye!
Ciao!
Wow, Switzerland!
Woo! camper van. Cheers to all of the amazing ingredients we've collected along the way.
And I am incredibly grateful for the last who knows how many miles we've done. Every experience is just better with you. Cheers. That's good.
Nice.
That's saying good. Yeah! That was the mobile van life crew coming at you hot with those fire beats, dog.
That we do.
Got those fire beats.